So let's make oatmeal for breakfast. First off, I'm going to soak and peel my almond seeds, after which I'll transfer them to a blender. I'll add some water for easy blend. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so by hitting the subscribe button. Also like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So we're adding water now for easy blend, like I mentioned before. So this is making it into a paste now. Next, we're going to transfer it into a cup. Please note that you can use any milk of choice. I'm using almond milk because I have almond seed at home, and with that I made some milk. So next, I'm going to add some chia seeds to a bowl, any bowl. So I'm adding my almond milk now. So I'm stirring now to combine. So I'm adding some oats. I also stir to make sure the oats is well incorporated into the mixture. So next I'll be adding some peanut butter. Add some cinnamon powder. I'll stir to combine. And I'll add some chopped peanuts. And some chopped bananas. I'll set it aside. Then to the other bowl, I'll add some chopped strawberry. Next, I'll be adding some chopped almond seeds. So next, I'll be adding some honey. So after adding the honey, cover and refrigerate for 2 hours, and it's ready to be served. Enjoy, and thanks for watching. Bye.